Hiya, Judy from Witchpeace Craft. Welcome to my yarn adventure for the 20th of December 2020. It is Sunday morning, very early. I woke at 5. It's probably about 6:30 now. I'll just turn that away because it's glaring in my glasses. So yes, my yarn adventure today will be one finished object. I will open Advent calendar day 20 with you and show you what I get, and I will do the draw for my giveaway, the children's book Keep Shining Bright. You could win this giveaway, not the last video, the one before. If you watched it to the end, you would have known that I was giving this book away. I didn't make a big deal of it being a giveaway, but yeah, it gets drawn today. So I'm up early. I haven't been sleeping well. Later today, I'm going to visit my friend Ulia, Cairns Poppy lady, in hospital. She's had double knee surgery, and yeah, pay her a visit, and then I'll go shopping with my younger son Reeves. So first thing off the rank is my finished object, which is my table runner for my side table under the window. I made this out of Premier Home, which is 85% cotton, 15% polyester, in the colour Holiday, of course, and it's a 4-weight. There are 595 yards and 544 metres, and I used it all. I've sewn in the ends. Now, I made it pretty dense and thick because my window side table is wood and it's easily damaged. There is no pattern or tutorial. I don't even know how wide I crocheted. It just fits my table. The pattern is single crochet, double crochet, so it sort of leans and gives you this pattern. It does flare a bit on camera. I will take a photo later today and add it to the video, because I'll probably upload this video later tonight when I'm not so busy. I loved making this, and it's extra special because this yarn was sent to me last year by Janet Lepre, my friend and subscriber. And last year I couldn't decide whether to make placemats or a table runner, and I thought it would be nice to have a table runner for that side table for Christmas, where I put things, ornaments and things. So yeah, I enjoy making stuff for myself from yarn that someone else has sent me. It makes it an extra special item of mine. So thank you, Janet, for the yarn. I love it. And I like my table runner, even if it is a little plain. So I haven't got a lot of room here. Today is Advent Day 20, of course. Thing left it out on the coffee table because he knows I'm going to be out and about, and thought I might like it early because he knew I was going to be doing a video. So we've opened it up and we have this bright blue yarn. I think he got tired of weighing them because they're almost full skeins now, or balls. It's really soft. This is Spotlight 8-ply variegated. I probably used a bit for a reef tea cozy or something, and that's why it's ended up in the used ball scrap basket. So bright blue, which is nice. There is a little treat in there, but I have to be careful because he has a wicked sense of humour. I have to see what it is first. Oh wow, it's a Christmas decoration 2020 Christmas decoration toilet roll, hand sanitizer, elves with masks. It's rubber. I don't want to take it out of the container because I'll probably lose the ribbon before I get it on the tree tonight. Isn't that cute? I wonder where he got that. Who would want to remember 2020? Anyway, that was sweet. That was Advent Day 20. My blanket so far is growing. It's going to be very big. Since I last showed you, we've done pink, lemon, orange, and this variegated orange, that sort of orange and goes cream with green, or cream with red flecks, and back to orange peachy colour. That was yarn I got in the UK I think if you knit it, it knits up like a pattern like Premier Bloom. It's Bloom by Premier, I think so. But I crocheted, so I don't know. I still have some full balls of it, so you never know. I might try knitting a hat and see what happens with it. So next, tonight, when I'm parked in front of the TV, bright blue. Then we come to the fact that it is the draw of my giveaway. Keep Shining Bright. Not the last video, second last video. I put at the end a giveaway, a bit of a surprise giveaway, a children's book up to the age of 5 or 6. It's by an Indigenous local author and it's beautifully illustrated. The story is Grandmother Moon and Dawa the Star discuss an important lesson in life. They explore the concept of not feeling seen or appreciated and what can be done about it. It is autographed by the author, limited edition 142. It cost me $25. Try and see where I can find. Beautifully illustrated. I wanted this to go to a good home, so we'll be going to use the YouTube random comment picker and do a draw. I'm just going to pause the video to set up my laptop. So we had 17 unique comments, so I filtered out duplicate users, so 1 comment per person, and you had to put Shining Bright in your comment to show me you were interested in the book. A few people let me know they weren't interested, which is fine. I had about 25 comments. I don't get a lot of comments on my videos for some reason, but hopefully the laptop won't flare, because I did want to actually try and show the draw. And Reeves, my son, did try to show me this last night. All I have to do is apparently press this button and it should. Oh no, I have to, because it's not the touch screen. We tried on the iPad and that wouldn't work for me. So there, I have to do that. And we are going to pick a winner. It's flaring, I can't see. 2 Arctic Wolves is the winner. Can you guys see that, or is that really bad? 2 Arctic Wolves. I'll read the comment to you. The new penny is shining bright in the warm sunshine. LOL. Hope your foot gets better soon. Thank you for the lovely giveaway. Good luck, everyone. 2 Arctic Wolves. Comments a lot on my channel. So my email will be in the description below. If you can contact me and let me know that you are from 2 Arctic Wolves, I will arrange with you a mailing out of the book. If it's overseas, because I don't think I have any idea where Arctic Wolves is from, we have to, like, you've got a minimum weight requirement, and if this is under, I may add a few things, and if it's in Australia and New Zealand, I may still add a surprise, a crafty surprise. So yes, congratulations to 2 Arctic Wolves, and thank you to everybody who entered. This will go to a new home and I will be really happy about that. So the other thing is I have, in summary, been trying to think what I would do for 2021. I'll just grab all this. Sorry, I'm knocking the camera around. Last year I started a book and I completely planned out, basically like a good plan. I'm trying to show you this book. I got the idea of Llama Mama Kayla. Get a lot of ideas of her. Love her channel. Check out the link below. I'll put her channel there. And her son, what does it say? Gone with a Whisk, Dakota, his cooking channel. I'll put that link there too. You want to see the awesome Buckingham Palace gingerbread he made, like a gingerbread palace. Anyway, this is a book I started last year and I completely planned 2019 projects on the bucket list, things I was going to do on my channel, that sort of thing. And I think I achieved about 90%. I ran off the rails in July when some personal things happened and I've been limping along a little in December. But other than that, it was pretty successful. So I got the book out last night, planning 2021. So what have I planned? Absolutely nothing. I've won patterns, I've bought patterns, I've been sent patterns, got lots of lovely patterns I want to make. I have some great ideas for my channel, but I just cannot be motivated. I don't know why, but hopefully I will get motivated and I will plan 2021. So guys, I hope you take care of each other. Congratulations to 2 Arctic wolves. Stay well. And from my family to yours, Merry Christmas, and let's hope we all have a better 2021.